So for the ingredients, we have this is garlic, ginger, bulbed onions, some chili, beef, and broth. So these are my tomatoes. Basically, I just boiled them and mashed them. This is mixed spices, vegetable oil. Over here, I have a potato, so I decided to spice things up. And then over here, we have pilau masala, the main ingredient, and finally, salt. So this is everything we'll be using for our recipe. And I almost forgot rice, yeah. So we'll start with the bulbed onions first. So this is because the ginger, they cook too fast. So if we add the bulbed onions and the ginger at the same time, it will stick on the sufuria. As you can see, our onions have started to turn golden brown. So at this point, you can add your ginger and garlic. If you didn't know, garlic is the one that makes the pilau to turn brown. So we have to wait for it until it's golden brown. So at this point, I'll add the tomatoes. I'll also add a pinch of salt. So basically this is how it looks like. After that, I will add the beef together with the broth. At this point, I'll add the pepper. Masala. spices. Just a small amount. So this is what you have so far. I know, right? So I'll add in the potatoes. Maybe let them cook for about a minute or two before I add my rice. Okay, so this is it. I think it's time I add my rice. So many people, they prefer to boil the water first and then add rice. So for me, I've already cleaned it. So for me, I prefer to add in the rice and then I'll add the water later. You can do it the way you want. This is just me. I'll go ahead and stir. So I used 1.5 cup of rice, meaning I'll be using 3 cups of water, but it depends with the rice, so with the type of rice that you're using. So I'll go ahead and cover. Meanwhile, let's prepare some kachumbari. So we're going to put the let's put the onions in the hot water, then add some salt and let it sit for a while. I've already sliced the tomatoes and the pepper. For the onions, I've soaked them in hot water and added some salt. So basically I'll just pour this water, rinse the onions and add the tomatoes and pepper and some salt or vinegar, and our kachumbari is ready. You can cut your tomatoes to whatever size or shape you want. Some salt. So, and stir. Our pilau is ready.